amazing view of Earth's terrain is because of incredible elevations and shapes of its landforms. Contour lines show elevation and the shape of the terrain like mountains, depths of the ocean bottom, and steepness of slopes. Different landforms are represented by contour lines on a topographical map are mountains, conical hills, plateaus, valleys, ridges, spur, waterfall, and many more. Mountain. Mountain is represented by the compacted contour lines. The values of the lines are rising towards center. Conical hill. Conical hill is represented by few and uniform contour lines. Summit of hill is marked by the highest value of contour. Plateau. Plateau is represented by closely spaced contour lines on the lower slopes that show the steep slope. The upper slope has insignificant contour lines, referred to as flat surface. Dissected plateau. Dissected plateau is represented by compact contour lines on the lower slopes. These contour lines are divided by streams or rivers. Ridge. A ridge is represented by U-shaped or V-shaped contour lines. The line of high ground with height varies along its crest. Escarpment. Escarpment's higher part is called crest. Scarp and dip always occur together. Contour lines are closer towards the scarp and further apart towards the dip slope. Gap. Gap is represented by interrupt contour lines between the two concentric contour lines. Col or pass is represented by close but interrupt contour lines between the two concentric contour lines. Saddle. Saddle is represented by interrupt contour lines between the two concentric contour lines located apart. Watershed. Watershed is indicated by a dotted line. It joins the highest points on the ridge. River valleys are of different types like U-shape valley, V-shape valley, hanging valley, and canyon. U-shape valley is represented by crowded contour lines along the side. The lines are widely spaced at the bottom. The curve of the contour crossing always points upstream. V-shape valley. V-shape valley is represented by close spacing contour lines. The apex of the V points to higher ground towards the source of the river. Hanging valley. Hanging valley is represented by U-shaped contour lines. Steep side is occupied by semicircular contour lines. Canyon. Canyon is shown by the crowded spacing of the contour lines. Cirque. On a topographical map, cirque is shown by the contour lines spaced closer together at the back. These lines are far apart at the front. Spur. Spur is represented by V-shaped contour lines. The apex of the V points to lower ground. Contour lines bend towards the foot of mountain. Cliff is represented by the merger of two or more contour lines. Closer and more numerous contour lines show the steeper slope. An overhanging cliff or a cave is represented by the intersected contour lines. Waterfall is represented by contour lines merging into one while crossing a river stream. The representation of relief by contour lines not only enables locating the relevant physical features but also facilitates determining their morphological characteristics.